Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to trade binary options. So today we got $3,000 on the balance. We are gonna open 500 positions on a 1 minute time frame while the count of players with the highest payout rate haven't picked. And let's pick several indicators. The first one is the ADX and the second one is the Keltner channel. Our today's strategy is based on the ADX and the Keltner, but we look at the ADX first and only then we pay attention to the Keltner and open our positions. The main point of the strategy is that we don't have to change and adjust anything, we just keep the basic settings. The only thing is that I want to change the color of the moon coverage on the ADX just to make it more convenient to navigate. So we are not gonna slow down here, let's begin the trading session and let's find the most promising position entry, and we got right here. I'll point out the workspace. So have a look, we have the support zone here. It did play out, the price started going up, then a tiny correction and again the strong upward dynamics. Then we call this tiny correction and we consider a signal to open our position and we open a long look. We got to medium dynamics on the chart according to the ADX, and here we see the green moon coverage has gone down, and this way we're expecting the breakout to the upside and the position has to be closed in profits in the end. So if something goes wrong, we are gonna open extra positions. And let's open 3 extra long positions here. The first one ended up at loose, that's why we are waiting for the rest. Well, the candle is going lower, that's why we should open 2 more positions. And we wanna wait for the strong breakout. Please leave the comments, guys. I'll be happy to hear you throw on the strategy. What indicators do you generally use? Which one bring you the highest pay profit? And you can tell me in the comments. I'd be happy to use them in my trading. So I'm gonna make the video about these indicators, I don't mind. As you can see, the price is starting to move upwards. The martingale method played out perfectly. Look at this beautiful pump, guys, and our extra position have been closed in profits. But we also have 2 more long positions and they are also in profits. So this is a strategy, guys, pretty simple one. There are several seconds left before the closing and our position having closed in profits. So the strategy is based on the ADX and the Keltner channel, which is complicated by the martingale method. I mean, opening the extra position, there is nothing complicated, so this is a win strategy and there is no stopping here. Let's carry on the trading session and find the next concept pair. And here, by the way, we can open a long again. Seems like a good position entry. Let's open a long, and this entry is much more promising than we see in the previous one. We see the touch of the support zone and basically we see the downward dynamics that took place early. Then we see this flat, and here look at the price dynamics. So we release that the previous touch has happened here and now the touch is happening again, and if you look at the ADX there is no promises for a reversal or something impulsive like this. That's why we opened our position properly. We call it a nice position entry level. The candle is red so far, but it doesn't matter. We got a nice straight entry level and it should be close in profits. But if things go wrong, we are ready to open extra position. However, we don't need this. Our positions have been closed in profits. and there was nothing complicated and there is no stopping here. Let's continue our trading. And I see nice trading opportunity here. Let's open a short. This is a good one. If you look at the ADX, we see that the moving average has gone up. The same goes for the green line, so we're expecting a correction here. And here the touch of the resistance zone has happened. This zone is quite strong, and also we see the updating of the local high, and after this we are gonna expecting the downward movement because the price has broken through the channel. And I think we did right when opened the short. We caught a nice trade entry level, and look, the price is going down, and I'm pretty sure that this one will be closed in profits. Well, we got $2,600 of profit. Not bad, guys. This one has been closed in profits, and let's find the next fancy pair. Well, let's continue analyzing how the price could go up, so let's take our time. But here we see nice correction, and let's open a long position. I'll point out the workspace. So the main principle of work while trading the strategy is when we search for the pullbacks and corrections. For example, we observe a good correction here, and based on a teeny knowledge of the technical analysis, we see that the upward dynamics dominates here. If you look at this price zone, also a good correction take place, and actually we have to spot them and open position ahead of the market. So if we look at the ADX, there is a low dynamics here, the crossing of the moving average. The red moving average has gone up a little bit, and we are about to see another crossing here. That's why we should open a long, and there we go. We got a nice breakout here, and our position had been closed in profits. Meanwhile, we got $6,000 on the balance. Quite good result. Let's refresh the page and let's continue the trading session, find the next currency pair. So well, here is more downward dynamics take place, and we open our position in the direction of the trend. We open a short. This is our sell signal. The RAW was a flat here, it obvious, and the price started gradually going down. The local high we updated, so we see the ADX is reversing and going up, and tell us that the downward dynamics should continue gain moments, and the price broke the support zone going down, and everything indicates that the price is gonna go down. And despite the strong candle, we opened the short position anyway, and as you can see, the strong dump followed up, and our position is in the profits. And we got $6,500 on the balance, and I guess we should open a few more positions in order to consolidate our gains, and let's find another currency pair for that, guys. I also recommend you to have a good amount on the balance when you trade this strategy. I think $500 will be fine. It would be comfortable to use the martingale method. So here, okay, we are not gonna open here. Let's open the long positions. I'll point out the workspace, so we release that the touch of this massive support zone has formed The updating of the price maximum did happen, and the tiny correction, a small rebound from the middle line of the channel, and basically this correction should be over by now and the price should continue going up and probably go sideways. If we look at the ADX, we see that the moving average is not at the top yet and reversal is very unlikely to happen. We see that the price has gone down, it's fine. We open extra positions and let's wait for the breakout. Let's see, guys. There are several seconds left before the closing of the first one, but it's gone loose. That's why we opened more long positions. So, and here we see beautiful entry level, very promising upward dynamics. The same goes for the candles moments. There was no wicks, and this is definitely a good signal for us. Well, if this 3 long position end up at loose, we are gonna open $4,000 positions, and let's change the trade amount right away in order to save our time. Well, our position have been closed in profits. We got $7,000 on the balance. Good job, guys. And let's find the next currency pair in order to consolidate our profit. And let's open our final positions. So we are interested in the highest payout rate and have a look. We see good downward dynamics, and let's open a long position. Let's point out the workspace. It's obvious that the upward dynamics started from this point. The updating of the local high took place here, and now the upward dynamics dominates. That's why we prioritize catching corrections and opening long positions. And this is exactly what we did. The price broke out from the channel and we are playing ahead of the market. If you look at the ADX, we see low dynamics here. The green line is at a good level and this is a good signal for opening long. The price has gone down, that's why I open a few more long positions. We are ready to open $4,000 if the candles go slower. So let's wait a little bit for 30 seconds on the timer. And we open for long positions. Quite intense moment, guys, but I'm expecting to see the breakout anyway. Let's have a look. The positive dynamics starts gaining moments. The breakout seems to be happening, but still the upper positions will probably end up at loose. Not exactly, guys. Our position have been closed in profits. We got lucky here. However, it's not a luck actually. We've predicted the upper dynamics from the very beginning. We got 4 long positions left here. There were several seconds left before the closing. Also, intense movement as the price is near the positive entry, and yep, our positions haven't closed in profits. We got almost $12,000 on the balance with some result. Let's move on withdrawal. I'd raise the withdrawal, let it be $11,500. Press the continue button. Our transaction is being processed. I'll touch the screen as usual. This is what we've managed to reach today with the help of these indicators and martingale method, so try it out yourself. This is a win strategy, so thanks for watching, good luck on trading, bye bye.